Hello everyone. Welcome to the Soul Garden channel to make your anthurium garden increasingly lush with vibrant flowers. Today, I will share with you an extremely simple yet highly effective tip using just 1 tablespoon of this. This nutrient not only helps anthuriums bloom brilliantly, but can also be applied to most indoor plants. Whether you're caring for orchids, lilies, or even hardy plants like snake plants or money plants, today's recipe will work gently yet persistently. This method may seem a bit unusual, but with just 1 tablespoon, you can create a nutrient-rich fertilizer. When applying this recipe, you will see your plants recover faster, develop strong roots, sprout evenly, and most importantly, bloom more beautifully than ever. Let's get started. To make today's fertilizer, I will use oats. Oats contain many B vitamins and minerals such as magnesium, iron, and zinc, elements that stimulate root growth, promote the development of new shoots, and help weak plants recover naturally. In particular, when processed correctly, oats can create an environment that nurtures beneficial microorganisms in the soil, helping plants absorb nutrients better, maintain stable moisture, and prevent root rot. Next, we will put 1 tablespoon of oats into a blender or food processor. This way, all the nutrients will be released much faster. When oats are turned into powder, they truly become a treasure for all types of soil and growing environments. As I mentioned, oats are rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and calcium, micronutrients and macronutrients that help plants and vegetables grow healthily. Moreover, they improve soil structure because many microorganisms will feed on the oats. Their pH is mild and neutral, suitable for all types of plants, so they won't cause imbalances in your soil. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Now, we will put all this oat powder into a clean glass jar, then add about 500 milliliters of clean water. This will help fully release the nutrients from the oats into the water. Close the lid and let it soak for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we will filter out the pulp to ensure the plant absorbs the nutrients best without being shocked. Dilution is extremely important. I usually mix this solution with 2 liters of clean water. This helps reduce the concentration, making the solution gentler and allowing the plant's roots to easily absorb the valuable nutrients from the oats. Step 1. To prepare the plants before fertilizing, remember to water them with clean water first. This will help the soil become evenly moist and create the best conditions for the plant to absorb nutrients afterward. Do you wonder why you need to water the plant before applying organic fertilizer? Watering the plant with clean water before fertilizing, especially with liquid organic fertilizer, brings many practical benefits, making the soil evenly moist and loose. When the soil is moist, water and nutrients from the fertilizer can easily penetrate deeply and spread evenly throughout the soil layer, reaching the entire root system of the plant. If the soil is dry, the fertilizer may only stay on the surface. not fully absorbed by the roots, leading to waste. Preventing root shock. Fertilizers, whether organic or inorganic, may contain a certain concentration of salts. When applied to dry soil, this concentration can spike around the roots, causing root burn or fertilizer shock, which can damage or even kill the plant. Water acts as a solvent, helping dissolve the nutrients in the fertilizer. Plants can only absorb nutrients in dissolved form through their root hairs. Therefore, when the soil is sufficiently moist, this absorption process happens smoothly and much more efficiently. After watering the plant, don't rush to apply fertilizer immediately. Let the plant rest for a bit, about 10 minutes. Step 2. First, I will dip a soft cotton pad into the diluted oat solution and gently wipe each leaf of the plant. Wiping the leaves not only helps clean dust and bacteria accumulated on the leaf surface, but is also a great way to provide nutrients directly through the epidermis, the area where the plant absorbs nutrients the fastest after the roots. Oats contain many essential nutrients. Nitrogen promotes chlorophyll formation, making leaves greener, glossier, and full of vitality. When wiping with a nitrogen-containing solution, the leaves will gradually become thicker and improve their photosynthesis ability. Phosphorus enhances metabolic processes in leaf cells, supporting the plant in forming new tissues. This is crucial for plants recovering from weakness or damage due to pests, helping them regenerate faster. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Potassium enhances disease resistance, making leaves stronger and less susceptible to fungi or bacteria. Potassium also helps balance water levels in the leaves, preventing yellowing or drying at the edges. Calcium strengthens cell walls, making the plant healthier from within. When wiping leaves with a calcium-containing solution, you are supporting the plant's natural defense system against environmental stressors. Additionally, oats contain trace elements like iron, zinc, and manganese, all of which play a vital role in enzyme synthesis and maintaining the vibrant green color of the leaves. What's special is that the neutral pH of oats makes this solution very gentle, suitable for all types of plants in your garden, even the most sensitive ones like orchids, anthuriums, or violets. When you regularly wipe the leaves weekly, you will gradually notice the leaves becoming glossier, greener, and full of vitality. Step 3. After 10 minutes, carefully pour the entire diluted oat solution into a dedicated watering can. Now, water this solution directly at the base of the plant. This is the gateway for the valuable nutrients from the oats to be maximally absorbed by the plant's root system. Oats provide many benefits like proteins, B vitamins, and trace minerals, all of which will be delivered directly to the plant's core system, promoting robust growth from deep within, from roots to stems and leaves. Ensure the solution soaks evenly into the soil around the base, so every part of the root system can access this wonderful nutrient source. One of the greatest advantages of using organic fertilizer like this oat solution is its versatile applicability to all types of plants in your garden, whether you're caring for ornamental plants, fruit trees, or even delicate flowers. Organic fertilizer is the ideal choice because it is made from natural plant or animal-based ingredients gentle, environmentally friendly, and completely safe for roots and the entire plant. You don't have to worry about the plant experiencing fertilizer shock or accumulating harmful chemicals, as can happen with chemical fertilizers. Step 4. With the remaining oat solution, instead of discarding it, I will pour it into a spray bottle. This is a wonderful way to continue providing nutrition and protection for each anthurium plant in the garden. I will mist evenly onto the leaves of each anthurium plant. This not only supplies a gentle dose of micronutrients through the leaf surface, supporting photosynthesis, but also creates a natural protective layer that keeps the leaves fresh and enhances their resilience against environmental stressors such as intense heat, dry winds, or sudden temperature changes. This diluted oat solution is extremely gentle and safe, especially suitable for anthuriums, a species that loves humidity and gentle care. Thanks to this method, not a single drop of nutrients is wasted, and every beloved plant in the garden, from anthuriums to lilies and orchids, is fully cared for from root to tip. This is a perfect example of optimizing homemade organic fertilizer, bringing vibrant vitality to your entire green space. After watering the base and misting with the oat solution, move the potted plants to a cool, shaded area or a place with indirect light. Keep them there for a few hours or until the leaves are completely dry, then return the plants to their usual spot. Results. After consistently applying this oat-based organic fertilizer and care method, you will notice significant positive changes in your anthurium plants. The leaves will become greener, thicker, and glossier. Old leaves may regain vitality, while new leaves will grow vigorously, less prone to yellowing or lack of vitality. You will see new shoots emerging more robustly and young buds developing rapidly, signaling the vibrant vitality of the plant. The root system will also develop significantly. Healthy roots are the foundation of a healthy plant, helping it absorb water and nutrients more efficiently and withstand pests and harsh conditions better. Most importantly, your plant will have stronger natural disease resistance, be less susceptible to pests, and recover faster from environmental stressors. All of this is clear evidence of the effectiveness of caring for plants with natural, safe, and sustainable organic nutrients. You will surely be satisfied with the results achieved. What do you think about this plant care method? Please leave a comment to let people around the world know. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications to never miss any plant care tips. See you in the next videos.